kini bang atong bang kinabuhi ba? Nay mga manindot nga mga butang nga usay makalimtan bitaw nato kay kwanta kayo busy kayo tas pag panginabuhi, pagpangitag kwarta, pag ngitag paagi nga matuman atong mga pangandoy, atong mga ambisyon. Pero usahay makalimot nga pinaka-importante gyud ang atong pamilya. Doon ako nakitaan ba sa YouTube mga higala nga perting nagpaminaw ko siyang kanta mga higala. Awit ni sa usa ka amahan nga natiguang na ba amahan natiguang in taon apan nakalimtan na siya siyang asawa, siyang mga anak tungod tingali matud pa niya siyang iyang gipasaylo tungod kay ilang doon na sila mga kaugalingong kinabuhi na niya pinagi sa awit mga higala, no? Pinagi sa awit iyang padangat ang iyang panawagan. Ambit ninyo ang usa ka nindot kaayo nga awit sa usa ka amahan nga gibiyaan sa iyang anak ug sa iyang asawa apan nagpabilin ang iyang gugma ug paghandom kanila. So ani ako ipaambit kaninyo.
My name is Ernesto. I'm 54. I used to work as a carpenter. Life was hard, but I didn't mind. I had a wife and a son, and I lived for them. They were my whole world. I gave everything to my son. Skipped meals, worked overtime, just so he could finish college. When he graduated, I cried. I thought it was the start of our new life. But things changed. My wife grew distant. My son got busy. They stopped calling. One day, they both left. No goodbye. I waited. Days turned to years. No one came back. I lost the house. I lost my purpose. I slept on streets. Forgotten. People looked away. But deep inside, I held on to one thing. My voice and the hope they'd hear it. Now I'm here on this stage. Not to win. Not for fame. Just to sing one song for them. Maybe they'll hear me. Maybe they'll remember. I never stopped loving them. So this is my song for them.
I built our home with bleeding hands. Laid each brick with love and plans. You were my light, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door where your laughter lived before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You wore your cap, I fixed your tie, watched you chase your dreams and fly. I gave you wings, I stayed behind, but now you're gone, and so is time. I'm still waiting at the door where your footsteps touched the floor. Even pain begins to fade, but the love, it always stayed. Still alone, still afraid. I don't need much, just one more day to hear you call, to hear you say, Dad, I remember who you are. that far. So I sing here on this stage, old and tired, full of ache. Not for gold, not for fame, just to call out your name. Still waiting, still the same.